Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma. It's almost Thanksgiving time. Let's get ready for some Thanksgiving fun. In this video, my 4-year-old son and I are turning colorful autumn leaves into adorable turkey art. We'll show you how we transform them into cute Thanksgiving decorations. It's a simple, creative, and fun activity you can do with your own little ones. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Let's get started. So we are going to start by taking some red leaves. So I'm gonna take a red leaf and give this to you, and I can take this one maybe, and then I'm just gonna pull them off, okay?
What do we do
Pull
with
them
it?
off.
What do we do with it?
We are going to use them to make turkey's body or or the turkey's tail.
Yeah, first we're gonna make like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay them on the paper like this. That can be the turkey's tail, I guess.
Okay.
And we need more. We need more of them.
Yeah, I need a lot of it. This so cool. This is the turkey of the tail.
Turkey tail.
Turkey
Something like this. Gonna lay them on the paper first, and then we're going to use glue dots to glue them to the paper. So I want to use this as well, but I need to cut it. Look, feel. I'm gonna cut these leaves into smaller pieces.
What? Cut off these small pieces?
Yeah, look. You wanna try?
Yeah, all these small. How to do it?
Look. So you're gonna cut it 5 different pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
One.
And I'm going to use glue dots.
I can't do it. I can make 5.
Let me see. It's okay. Look, you cut it right here. Look. No, Theo. Look, from here to this opening right there. You can cut it this way, okay? Just cut it right there, okay? Got it.
And on the straight line.
What?
And on the straight line.
Straight line, yes.
I got 5. I got 5.
Okay, so look, you have some glue dots next to your. You have some glue dots over there. So what you want to do, you want to take some glue dots and then apply it to the back of the leaves. Yep, like that, okay? Just put it on and then peel it off. Peel the film off. But be gentle, okay? Be very gentle so we don't break the leaf. Got it? Yeah, you got it. Oh, you broke the leaf a little bit. Oh no. It's okay. I think you need another one maybe right here. Give me another glue dot, please. I'll show you.
What do we get? Oh.
Look, here, Mommy's gonna show you, okay? Apply it, press, then gently peel off the film. See? And now you can put it on paper. You're gonna make sure that you wanna put it maybe a little bit lower, so
Here?
yeah, I guess you could. And then you're just gonna make like a round shape for the turkey's tail, okay? So let's do this together and we will fast forward this part. Okay, now it's time to use a scissor to cut the turkey's body, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna cut it. I cut a round body. Ooh.
Wow, Daddy. Whoa.
What about this? This one, give it to you, okay? And then I'm gonna do another one. So maybe something like this. That would be their body. Okay, so now we need to flip it. And yep, and then we're going to put some glue dots, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 glue dots on this leaf.
What? 5 glue dots?
One at the top. At the top, right there. Yep. And one in the middle, on the side, right there. It's okay, do it slowly, okay? Yep, it's okay.
It's really fast. I need 5 glue dots. It's too many for us.
Do it slowly, okay?
Yep.
Yeah, look, how nice. And then 2 at the bottom, okay? Like right here at the bottom. Make sure when they peel it off, we need to be gentle so we don't break the leaf. And now we need the turkey's head.
Oh!
So we're gonna use this leaf and I'm going to cut 2 circles, okay? Maybe I'll cut one here and cut one here. So maybe let me draw it first, okay? So I'm gonna draw 1 circle here for your turkey's head. And then I'm gonna draw 1 circle here for my turkey's head.
Okay, do this.
Look, and I'm going to use a scissor to trace the circle that I just drew.
Okay.
And make sure when we draw the head, we want to draw on the back of the leaf. So when we cut it off and eventually flip it over, you won't see the marker, okay? So you're going to put it right here. Okay, so you're going to apply some glue dots at the back of the leaf.
Where did you want glue dots?
Yeah, I think 1 is good enough.
I don't do that.
You don't have any more? Look, there are a few more here.
I can give you one, okay? I'll give you one. I'll give you a glue dot, okay? Hey, go glue dot. I'll give you glue dot, okay? Mine's more tiny.
Yeah, because your head is smaller.
Yeah, my hair's smaller.
Do you need my help to peel it off?
Yes. Yes, please. I'll go stick on it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's your eyes. You put on your face.
Put on the turkey's face.
Yeah. And it's my eye I put on it, okay? Because it's our eyes.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use the yellow leaf to make the turkeys.
But I'm gonna bake leaf.
Look.
Huh?
Turkey's mouth. You're gonna apply 1 glue dot at the back and put it on here. Alright?
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a little triangle. I'm gonna use the yellow leaf to cut a little triangle. Check this out. Then I'm gonna put it here.
Put it a little bit bigger. Thank you. welcome.
You're welcome.
And we are all done.
Not yet. Okay. One, put it right here. So maybe we'll fill it in with yellow because we ran out of red leaves. So maybe you put one here. I think that looks super cute.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we want our yellow leaves. Do we need all of this one?
Not yet. Okay, so how do you want to cut it? Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Just cut a little bit like this, a round shape, and then you'll be done.
I took some of these are not good for. Some of these, let's cover this leaf.
Yeah, we want to cover it. You don't
Yeah.
want to leave any blank space.
Hmm.
It's worth thinking about it, right?
Maybe like this small.
Oh, I think that's a little bit too small.
Oh no.
So,
We need a small Buddha. Little Buddha.
you need one more Buddha?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, now we can draw our leg.
Yeah. Ha ha ha.
Now we can draw the turkey's
What?
legs.
We draw the straight line.
A straight line. You got it.
And like this, and like this, and like this. This, and this. That's what turkey.
Wow, super cool.
Look.
I love it. Okay, I am going to write Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy face to me.
You know how to write happy? Okay, we're gonna write H.
H.
And that's how to make a turkey art using fall leaves. I hope you enjoyed making this art project with us.
See you soon and have a nice day.